sorry guys, this might be my last video of the Weird Kids, but I might make more video games in the future. Video game challenges, whatever, in the future. But, to finish it out, Belching challenge. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, that was crappy. That's definitely going in last place. That's definitely going in last place. There's nothing worse than that. Oh, yeah. Okay, that was gross. That was really good.
Oh my gosh.
That won first place. Okay. Oh, come on. That went second to last because remember that one video? Yeah, that was horrible. Okay. I mean, one time. Blah. Yeah, that was good. Oh. That probably came in second place. Woo. Oh, yeah, that was in first. Okay. That was good. Right there. Whoa. Okay. Now. Oh, wait, no, my football!
Hurry up and go get it.
Okay. Sorry, guys. I'll edit that part out. Probably. Yeah. Okay. Okay, going in the house. Well, I'm not sure I know where it is, but I'll find it. Yeah, that's coming in first place.